route mode is the most automated operation one and is suitable for most plot types. Route mode requires field planning in advance, and an agricultural drone executes the task. There are 3 field planning methods for route mode, namely remote controller planning, flight planning, and remote controller mapping with crosshair. Remote controller planning means to hold the remote control and walk around the field when the agricultural drone is turned off, add waypoints according to the actual situation of the field, and finally generate routes. It should be noted that remote controller planning uses the ordinary satellite positioning accuracy, so a higher retraction distance should be set when editing the routes. When add an RTK high-precision positioning module in the remote controller and based on the premise of a good RTK signal, high-precision planning can be achieved. All DJI Agras models on sale support remote controller planning, which is the most basic planning method. Flight planning is also known as flight waypoint. The pilot operates the agricultural drone to fly around the field at a certain height and adds waypoints at the corner of the field during the flight. It can be used in regular fields with less obstacles and larger area. It is necessary to recognize the field boundary and obstacle information through the FPV of the remote control. However, flight planning requires the pilot's rich operation experience. All DJI Agras models on sale support flight planning. Remote controller mapping relies on agricultural drone as a platform to take pictures of farmlands or orchards, and a high-precision map generates after being reconstructed by the remote controller. Waypoints can be added directly using crosshair function on the high-definition map, which is fast and convenient. For plots with different terrains and area, the above planning method should be selected reasonably.